Hey, good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. This is Bad Intel. I'm gonna probably do a pretty quick video this morning. There's not a lot going on in the market. XRP started moving a little bit this morning. I think we hit like 45.3 cents last I checked just a minute ago. So we might be moving a little bit up today. Maybe we'll hit that like 48-cent range the next day or two, which would be nice. As always, you're gonna expect some pullbacks and people taking profits, so don't mind the little dips. You just gotta worry long term. So today I just kind of want to touch on one thing. Let's say XRP does moon, hits like the somewhere in the three digits. It's gonna make so many new millionaires. And this applies not to just XRP, obviously, like Bitcoin. I mean, if you bought into Bitcoin, you're probably already doing really well if you bought in early. But any of those coins have the potential to make some huge moves. In my opinion, XRP is most likely. There's just too much stuff going on for it to not be huge. But anyway, basically like a sudden wealth syndrome type situation. I know a lot of lottery winners go bankrupt within a couple of years just because you've kind of been struggling all this time, and all of a sudden you've got hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars just sitting there, and you go out and buy all those things that you've always wanted. You know, you're buying a Lambo, like multiple houses. You're just kind of giving money out to people. Everyone's gonna come to you asking for money. It would be a weird situation, I think, if everybody just all of a sudden knew, like, I had, say, $3 million. I imagine some people would kind of come up to me and start asking me for money for, like, an investment, which, you know, not a good idea, typically. But you just got to be really careful about how you manage your money if you come into a lot of money. I would recommend some kind of financial advisor, an attorney, something or someone that you pay that will give you good advice and hopefully not screw you in the long run. I'm not saying don't reward yourself. I absolutely plan on rewarding myself. I guess, like, even if it does go huge, my dream car is still like a 2010 gated manual Audi R8. That's my dream car. I'm not saying I wouldn't go buy like a Lamborghini Urus or something for my wife if it goes nuts, because those things are sweet. But you got to think long term. I mean, let's say you do cash out a couple $1,000,000. You want that to last, ideally, forever. So don't go buy a bunch of stuff that doesn't appreciate, just depreciates. Like cars typically never make money on. You might not lose as much, but you're not gonna really make money. But if you do invest in some like rental properties or something like that, that's additional lifelong income you can have on top of what you just were really smart about investing in. I'm always kind of looking for that next level thing. So if I did get a lot of money off of XRP, I would probably try and start another business, do rental properties, something like that that increases my net worth and not something that just depreciates where I gotta buy like expensive tires. Like, I mean, Lambos are awesome. If that's what your plan is, if that's what's gonna make you happy, go buy a Lambo, get your hookers and blow, and just freaking party until you just run out of money. I mean, I guarantee some people are going to do that. I guarantee it that people will do that. And if that's what makes them happy, then, you know, good on them. If that's their plan, they should stick to that plan. For everybody else out there, I would say, if you have children, maybe set up some kind of trust for your kids that they can't get to until they hit like 18 or 21 or whatever. Try and set yourself up with some long-term, like, appreciable assets. I don't know if that's a word. And the other thing that I've always really wanted to do is just like help some people. I'm not talking about like just giving out money to like friends and family, but like at the grocery store, someone's having a hard time paying for their groceries, just get their groceries for them. It might just be like, you know, 50, 100 bucks. But to someone that's struggling, that makes a huge difference. And honestly, it'll make a huge difference in your life too. If there's little things you can do to pass that kind of joy and like spread some of that success around without going broke, I think it's an awesome idea. I think that kind of stuff comes back to you tenfold in a positive way. And that's one of the things I really kind of want to focus on going forward, is just being more positive and helping out people when I can. So that's just me. Yeah, just a quick video today, and hopefully something cool with XRP will happen. And I will see you guys tomorrow. See ya.